Greetings everyone, here's a quick guide to train vocals using real-time voice cloning. However, please note we have not been successful to train our vocals as it took many days. So we are not even 100% sure of the process. But if you want to try, make sure you have enough patience and time. And by time we mean 20 to 30 days or even more. Anyway, before getting started, please make sure you have a running real-time voice cloning application. If you do not know how to do it, please check our other video. It has everything mentioned to run the application. Now, here are all the details to train your vocals using the real-time voice cloning. As mentioned earlier, we have not fully tested it as it is very time-consuming and could take months. To be honest, we waited for 15 days, but it was still processing, so we could not test further. So only for those who have time and patience, try it and also let us know. Anyway, to get started, let's quickly open Anaconda, activate the environment, and then navigate to the real-time voice cloning folder. So we are inside the folder. Now we need to download a couple of things to get started. But to make it easier, we compiled everything and made a zip folder. We could not find VoiceCeleb 1 and 2, so we'll only use empty folders for them. I will provide this Google Drive link. Simply download all the files, download it. So it has been downloaded. Show in folder and open it. And extract it to the desktop. So this folder contains all files. Here is the LibreSpeech folder. Basically, LibreSpeech folder has a subfolder with train other 500, this folder and also this folder. There are 3 folders. Likewise, it has VoxCeleb 1 and VoxCeleb 2. So as shown here, VoxCeleb 1 and 2, and inside it has the respective folders. But these folders are actually empty, but it should work. The main thing we need to do is, inside the LibreSpeech folder, you will see these 3 folders, and it has subfolders. Please follow the same folder, and inside here, paste your own vocals. So keep the file name and add the text spoken in the voice. Let me open this one so you can hear it.
Northanger Abbey.
Now add your own vocals here and add the corresponding text accordingly. And likewise, add the vocals to each of these folders. We already have our vocals here. So we have kept 10 vocals with the corresponding text. Make sure to follow the same folder name and subfolders and add the audio and text. So in the LibreSpeech, I will replace the vocals with my own vocals. I will delete them all and will add my own vocals. So these are my own vocals. After this is done, cut this dataset folder and keep it inside the real-time voice cloning folder. So it is here. This part is now done. Now let's run a few commands. Let me copy this. I will paste it to a notepad so that it is much easier. And we need to add the dataset root folder. So this is the dataset root folder. Open this and copy this URL. and replace it here. Now run the command on Anaconda. So this is done. After this, we need to run another command. You can do this with or without Wisdom. If you want to run with Wisdom, simply open another Anaconda prompt. Note this is another Anaconda. Now activate real-time and navigate to the folder. Now run Wisdom. For that, type Wisdom. Now if you go to this link, you can see Wisdom is online, means it is working. We personally did not run Wisdom as our PC was already overloaded. So I will close this for now. I will close this as well. We will run this without Wisdom. Copy the code. Now again replace the dataset folder. This is the exact folder and has these subfolders. Let me copy this whole link and replace it here. Now copy the code and run it. So this seems to be a mistake as we are not running Wisdom. So let me add no Wisdom to the code. And again run the command. Now this takes very long, days and even months. You can see this step 10 and it goes to up to millions. So this is what we did and it took forever. We waited 15 days and had to stop. You can see we crossed 100k steps and it seems to work forever. While this is happening, to make sure if this is working or not, go to Save Models and My Run. You should see these files and images, meaning this is working. As mentioned, we could not continue from here. For those who want to try it, here's how you can complete the process. After that is finished, simply run this command. All you have to do is replace the dataset link, the same one we used earlier. Run this command. After this, you can run this code. Again replace the dataset root. After that, run the code. All you have to do is replace the dataset root, then run the command. Replace the dataset. And after completing this, you can finally run this command. Now you should have all these files to clone your own vocals. Try this all and let us know if you were successful to train your vocals or not. For us, we could not complete it, but we believe this is how it can be done. Please let us know if you could complete the whole process or not. Thank you very much.